This street is kind of famous for The Hangover 2. When they're partying, they shot the footage in the Asok area in Soi Cowboy. And then the next morning, when the street is all tore up, that was actually Soi 7/1 here in Nana. They're shooting some kind of movie. I don't think it's The Hangover 3 or 4. Here goes the fruit lady. I'm on Soi 7/1. Hey! All right, we are at the Green Room in Bangkok, checking out the Midnight Ramblers, Rolling Stones cover band. Christmas time in Bangkok, and all the stores have Christmas trees and different gift packages out. Not a whole lot of emphasis on the religious part of Christmas, more a gift-giving part of the year here. But we'll take a look around Bangkok and all the lights, the malls. They get all carried away with getting festive for Christmas. Get a nice gift basket here. We got some chocolates and spaghetti sauce. I think that's some sparkling grape juice. What is that? Milk chocolate, what do you call it? Hot chocolate. And some Smucker's jam, 2,500 baht. These butter cookies that you only found at your grandma's house, they're pretty much the #1 cookie here in Thailand. You can get a 10 for 200 baht. Having a Sunday afternoon beer at Cheap Charlie's. A lot of people right might remember Cheap Charlie's down on Soi 11. It's been down here at Soi 50 in the En Nude area. Ooh, 5 or 6 years. Next door is the Midnight Bar. A little medicinal. A couple of Japanese restaurants. And right here is Easy Burger. Pretty good burger. I wouldn't put it in an In-N-Out category, but it's real close. The Shangri-La in Bangkok is always in the discussion as to one of the best hotels in Bangkok. Definitely 5-star. Expensive ballrooms and wedding rooms. I'm not staying here. I'm just meeting a friend for a drink. It's right on the Chao Phraya River. So it's a nice place to have a drink and then wander next door to a real easygoing place like Jack's Bar. I did a video on Jack's. Just a mellow little place. Right across the street from the Icom Siam shopping mall. Shangri-La Hotel.
Take